my channel. So there were many questions regarding analyst training, and I'm going to answer few of the questions. So the first question is Cognizant intern versus FT. In your offer letter, please check whether it is mentioned intern or FT. So in FT means it's a full-time employee. So you'll be receiving all the salary and you'll be having all the privileges like PF, insurance, everything you'll be getting. Okay, and after you successfully complete your training, you'll be directly allocated to the project. But for intern as well as FT, the training are same. There's no difference. For intern and FT, if you both fail to qualify the requirements, they will disqualify you out of the cognizant. So okay, they won't have any mercy just because you are an FT, just because you are intern. They won't show any like pity on you. They will disqualify you if you don't meet their requirements. Okay. But the only difference is you will be like intern will receive only stipend. The stipend is comparatively really less than the actual salary. So okay. So that's the difference. So this is the flow of the intern. So I did my internship in Chennai Cognizant only, and after successfully complete my training, they will be sending back us to home for like 2 weeks. For FT, it doesn't happen. They will be directly allocated to the project. For us, they will be sending back to home for 2 weeks. Depends, okay. And after that, we will be receiving a mail for FT. After completing all the BGV, we'll be given a particular location. We have to go and report there. For me, it was Hyderabad. And within reporting, like after reporting, within 3 days, I got my project. So this is the cycle for interns. Okay. And many were asking questions regarding onboarding pass. So onboarding pass is not like you'll be like receiving it 3 days before. But in my case, when I was an intern, no, I just got it just a day before. So just be prepared for everything. Okay. And that's it. So this is this is day one orientation. So what they will be doing is they will physically verify our documents, PAN, Aadhaar, and after that they will be giving introduction about the company culture and everything. And day two, it's a laptop asset collection. You don't have to bring your own laptop. They will provide laptops, charger, and a bag. Okay. And we have to set up the laptop. Sometimes they will guide us. Sometimes a person who's sitting next to us, they will also guide us. So we will be setting up our laptop. No worries. Okay, and day three is a boot camp. It's like a chilling session we have. So what happens in that is what we will be doing is we'll be doing some chart work with some of our team members. Okay, it's like a chill activities. No marks are assigned for that. Okay, so chill activity. And here is the most important phase in the training. So one day you will be receiving a mail. Within the week one, you'll be receiving a mail. This is the batch owner. So who's batch owner? Batch owner is a person like who like it's like a POC, point of contact. Whatever issues we will have, we will go and let them know like this is the issue, and they will take the action. Okay, just like a point of contact. They will monitor us, and if I want to take leave, I will let them know I'm on leave. Okay, so those type of things will be taken care by batch owner. Okay, and these two persons are the more important. Literally, this person is more important. So, technical trainer, he will be training us in the technical aspects, and all your domain details also you'll be receiving the batch owner as well as domain details. I forgot to mention here. So I'm mentioning it right now. You'll be receiving your domain details also. Okay, here. And technical trainer will provide the like technical aspects. We train you in the technical aspects, and the batch owner will also send us a mail, uh, provide us with a handbook which has a syllabus, what to study. In day one, you have to complete this. And there's an application for tech stack. In the tech stack, what we will be doing is we will be having some Udemy courses. We need to complete it. And we will have some of certain coding problems. We have to complete that also. So tech stack is the application. Whatever problems they have, we have to complete it. Okay. The problems can be discussed and We can see it by using Microsoft Copilot also. We can complete it. No issues in that. Okay. Then we will also have some behavioral training also. In the behavioral training, what they will be doing is they will be training us like how to behave, how to write email. They'll be training us on grammar, everything they'll be training. Okay, so don't worry, they will train you, and they'll be like, don't use capital letter, whatever corporate things and all. No, they will train us in the behavioral module. Okay, and like many were asking me, what are the domains? There are three important domains they will put you in. First one is ADM, second is testing, and second is AIA. Okay, so ADM you will be learning this in testing now. You will be learning Java and Selenium. In AI now, you'll be learning Python and SQL, and any one of the two. For me, I was trained in Azure domain, so I was learning Python, SQL, and Azure. Okay, and one of my friend was in AWS domain. What she was doing is she was trained in Python, SQL, and AWS. Okay, particular tool they will train you in. Okay, there might be more tools coming up. So these are the domain we had while I was doing my internship there. Okay, then many were asking me questions regarding like, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that there were some domains like SAP and all. For them, it was a 1 month training only, so I couldn't get much contact. So if I got any contact, I will let you know how their domain works. Okay, and this is the assessment we have. The so first thing is stage one, coding assessment. They will give you some problems and we have to solve it, like five problems or three problems, depends upon the domain. Okay, and we have to score 70 percentage above to qualify it. Okay, and the interim evaluation is nothing but our batch owner will assign us to a Cognizant associate, a person who is working in Cognizant, a person who's senior to us. Okay, so he will like we'll be having an interview, and if he likes our performance, he will be giving green, or like if he doesn't like he is not that satisfied, he will be giving amber. If he is not totally, he's not really not satisfied, he'll be giving red. Okay, the same goes for final evaluation. Okay, then we can go for how many attempts like we have. For stage one, no, we will be having three attempts. Okay, we need to qualify only. Okay, we have to get 70 percentage only. Okay, we'll be having three attempts. It doesn't have any relation with interns and finals. Even though if you fail your stage one also, no, you can take your interns and finals. Okay, so just a qualifier. See it as a qualifier. Okay, it doesn't have any relationship with interns and finals. Interns and finals are held serious. You can't even joke about it. Okay, so interns, we'll be having only one attempt. Okay, so in the one attempt, we will be checking red, amber, or green. Okay. So be serious with interns. Okay. Interns and finals are directly related to each other. Okay. So like if you are getting green in interns, you'll be having three attempts in your final evaluation. Okay. And if you secured red and amber, you will be limited to two attempts only. Okay. So in interim evaluation, if you got red, and in the finals, in the like you will be having two attempts. In the first attempt, you will be getting red, means they will disqualify you. Okay, so be serious. Get green in the first go itself, and if you got amber in the interims, and if you got amber in your first attempt in finals, means they will allow you to take second attempt. In the second attempt also, if you got amber, means they will disqualify you. Okay. So they will disqualify you. Okay. You can't be like, okay, they won't disqualify me. No, no, no. They will disqualify you if you don't meet their requirements. Okay. So be careful. Don't play the interims and finals. Okay. Especially in the finals, don't play. If you have green means you can have three attempts. In any of the three attempts, get green. Okay. So please get green. Okay. Don't play with that. Anyways, in the first attempt or second attempt, if you are like get green. If you are getting red in the interim evaluation, please get green in the first go itself. Okay. and the salary and the location change. Salary and the stipend. For analyst trainee, the salary is to 16,000 to 17,000 and it depends on the location. For me, I got to know that in our same batch, the persons who are in Bangalore location are getting more salary higher than me, like 2,000 extra. I'm getting around 16,700, something like that. And my friend who's in the Bangalore location is getting around 19,000. Okay. And for internship is we'll be getting for me I got 10,800 only. Okay, sometimes you for like I had my internship for 3 months. You can't trust like they will provide 10,800 for 3 months. Okay, sometime for the first month we didn't receive our stipend. We got our stipend only in the next month. And the last month also we didn't receive. Always have a backup, some sort of amount for the PG rent and all. Okay, so please be careful. And for the location change, no, see, they seriously won't relocate if you're just onboarding. Okay, for after getting, but there's a chance of relocation. After getting to the project, you can request your project manager regarding that. Please give me relocation. If the project manager has its team working on the particular location you're asking for relocation, he will be relocating to you. So during training phase, there is no relocation. You can't ask for relocation. They won't provide you relocation. Okay. During onboarding also they won't relocate. But after getting to the project, if the project manager like has any chances to relocate you, he or she will relocate. So it depends on your project. So if you have any questions regarding anything, you can just comment. Okay, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe and share it to your friends. And bye, guys.